Right, welcome to Wyr's Tech, where tech is simple and stress-free. So today we are going to learn about how to set up Wyr VPN in all countries step by step. So relax, follow along, and then let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and then share it to your friend. If you get any problem, the comment section is open for you guys to comment of any problem. I'm available, and I'm going to be reading all the comments. Let us head over to Google Play Store, and then I'll show you the application I'm talking about. Then download the application called Wyr VPN. Download this VPN application and then put it in your mobile device. After downloading it, ensure to open it, and then let us continue. Guys, this tutorial is for educational research and research purposes only. So users are requested to follow the community guidelines, follow the network service providers terms and conditions, and then the local laws. So opening this application, allow all permissions. It may ask for storage permissions, permission for contacts and camera permissions, and many more permissions. I request you guys to follow it and allow the permissions. Then after, we're going to place letter right here, and then we're going to set it like this to work in all countries. Come right here, we have the auto select. You're going to be seeing a list of many servers, but I recommend you guys to choose a server that will be near to your country's location. I request my viewers to keep up with the auto select server to automatically select any online available server. Let us continue the tricks right here, and then we're going to look for the all country trick, and this is how you're going to, but before looking for it, these servers are for different countries. You guys are free to choose a server from your country. Allow me to welcome you all, and then in the previous video I saw a comment about the YouTube and TikTok packages. This VPN is right for that comment because it has some YouTube packages and comment and TikTok packages, right for TikTokers, live streamers on TikTokers, and then heaven downloaders, and those live streamers, live streaming, and those that use YouTube most of their time. So let us continue, and then we search UDP, and then after we're going to be seeing a list of many UDP servers. I recommend my viewers to choose the first one in results. But how do you see if you try the Open VPN? But that will be the next tutorial. Let us use the first one. And then after, you're going to come where we have the connect, and then wait for a few moments. This application will be connecting. But remember, if it fails to connect, toggle airplane mode on and then off. And then after, a second tip is to restart your phone. And then after, another tip is to clear the data of this application, but it will be working. You're free to restart it the way you want until it connects. It will be connecting on all devices. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this tutorial to your friend. Right now I don't have an internet connection, but if I pick up with the internet connection, it will be connecting. But you can also try with the Open VPN, this one, and then it is also a UDP server that will be connecting to some mobile devices. So guys, I request you to subscribe and share this tutorial with your friend. But this is the best one, the first one in all countries UDP free. I don't know what's happening right now. Maybe the internet is poor, but it's coming to connect. I want to leave when it has connected successfully. Alright, you can also try it yourself.